Before landing checklist?
Huh?
Before landing checklist?
Yep.
Pilot and passenger seat backs. Select turn both. Welcher back on. Mixer read.
Galveston Power Petroleum 038 Alpha is with you about 15 miles to the south, inbound to visual 18.
Petroleum 038 Alpha Galveston Tower. Number 3, report 2 miles south of the beach.
Petroleum 038 Alpha, right?
Galveston 83 Alpha Foxtrot. We're about to enter a 2-mile right base for runway 18.
November 3 Alpha Foxtrot. I don't have you in sight. You are clear to land runway 18, wind 170 at 8.
Runway 18, clear land, 83 Alpha Foxtrot.
Yeah, we're just by the bridge here for 83 Alpha Foxtrot. Nice, let's go.
Alright, I'll see if I can find you.
Put your lights on?
Yeah.
All of them.
Landing, strap. Beacon landing, okay.
Galveston 15 Mike is 4.5 miles east of the field now.
Roger, continue.
Oh yeah. No belly, yeah.
No belly.
And November 3 Alpha Foxtrot, I have you in sight now.
Roger.
Roger that.
We got the traffic, 15 Mike.
21.5 Mike. He'll be a full stop. Your number 2, follow the Cessna. Runway 18, clear to land. Wind 180 at 7.
15 Mike.
Look at that bird, man.
And nice. Back left here at Delta.
November 3 Alpha Foxtrot, if you make Delta, otherwise continue down to Charlie.
Delta, continue down to Charlie 83 Alpha Foxtrot.
Okay, you made Delta, that's fine. You can turn there at Delta. Contact ground 118.62.
118.62 with Delta 83 Alpha Foxtrot, thank you.
Let's keep going, let's cross this road.
3 Alpha Fox. That's the whole short line.
Okay, so where are we going? General aviation?
Yep. Just we're going to cross to the FBO.
Okay.
Galveston ground.
Galveston ground, Skyhawk 83 Alpha Foxtrot, runway vacated by Delta, requesting general aviation.
Dr. Alpha Foxtrot, taxi into parking, general aviation. Parking is just ahead and to your left where the other fixed wing are.
Roger, taxi